Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another Back to Basics. So today's back to Basics is all about contour, and I apparently have a bunch of it on my collar. A lot of people get contour and bronzer mixed up. Why is that? Because a lot of people don't understand the basics of contour. Contour is supposed to cast a shadow on your face and chisel your features. Bronzer is supposed to give your skin warmth, like you've just been kissed by the sun, like you have a little bit of a tan. Another big difference between contour and bronzer is that contour is supposed to have a little bit of a gray undertone. Bronzer should have a bit of an orangey undertone. Not Trump orangey, but more of like, a sun-kissed warm bronzer, or sun-kissed warm, yeah, sun-kissed warmth. So that's something to keep in mind when you are shopping for those two products. Today we're just talking about bronzer, and some people actually will use contour, and some people will actually use bronzer as a contour. And this is called the bronze tour method. Now, if I am just going for like your everyday look, like just going out to run errands, I'm not going to go and contour my face. I reserve contour for more of a full beat look where I am doing like full glam and I'm going to be on camera. Or I'm dressing up to go out, like date night, that kind of thing. I'm not trying to do a full beat every day just to go out to go to the grocery store, especially in the town where I live, because honestly, a lot of people around here are not trying to do a full beat to go to the grocery store if they even put makeup on to go to the grocery store. And that's just how it is. I don't have a whole lot of products in this category because, like I said, I don't. Hello, Artemis. Are you going to make an appearance in this video as well, sir? He decided to, another video, actually the video for the look that I'm wearing, which I can't really talk about yet because it has not been revealed. So you can check back later this week to see that one. But, okay, so I don't have a lot of products in this category because, like I said, it's not something that I wear every day. The first one's kind of an OG. This one's been around for a long, long time. And I had two of them at one point because it's, honestly, sometimes I do drag makeup for a friend who he does drag for charity events. And I have it in a different shade for a friend who has recently transitioned from male to female. And I use it for her. This one is the one that I have in my shade, and this is the NYX Wonder Stick. This is the more recent, or the more updated version of the NYX Wonder Stick because it has, on one side you've got your contour, and then on the other side you've got a highlighter, which I accidentally smashed into the cap. This one I feel like, okay, so I really feel like when they reformulated this one, they went a little too warm with the contour. That's just my opinion. However, this one is in Universal Light. I like the stick method of a contour because I feel like it's easier to put it where you want it and guide, especially like on your nose. When you're contouring your nose, I feel like a stick contour is definitely a lot easier of an option to go with. Next up, we have the Kaja Butter Up Play Bento. This comes with, it's like a, if you've never seen a lot of Kaja's makeup, it comes in these bento stacks where you have 3 products all in the same little tiny compact, and it makes it nice and easy for travel. On the top you have a blush, in the middle you have a highlighter, and then on the bottom you have your contour, which I feel like this as well pulls a bit warm. I'm going to use this as more of a bronze tour if I'm going to use this. But I'm not a big, yeah, there's a better angle. I'm not a huge fan of liquid bronzers or cream bronzers, to be honest with you. This is not a product that I use very often for bronzer. So if I'm going to use it, it's going to be more of a bronze tour. Next up is the last formula that I have to show you because the other one that I use is actually an eyeshadow out of a Nomad Cosmetics palette. But this one is a new formula, period, and it's new to me, but I have used the crap out of it since I got it. This is basically the only one that I've been using, and I have it available to show you in 3 shades. This is the Rare Beauty Liquid Contour, and I really like it. I use it in the shade Gentle, and it comes just like her liquid blushes and like with the doe foot, and I'm telling you, she recommends it with the dot method, and I feel like this is a perfect contour shade for me. It pulls like the perfect shade of like gray brown, or grayish if you will. With the size of that bottle and how little of this you need, you're never going to run out of this product. It's going to expire before you do. I also have it in the shade Mellow, which I feel like that's a little bit warmer than Gentle. And then I also have it in Solace, which is just a tad bit darker than Gentle, but I feel like it's a really good grayish shade. When you're contouring and you're looking for somebody to follow for a contour tutorial, this is important to know. Do not follow or watch anybody for a contour tutorial. You need to contour for your face shape and not just any old influencer. So when you're looking at influencers' videos to learn how to contour, try to find somebody with a similar face shape to yours. Because if you're, say you have like a heart-shaped face and you find an influencer you really like, but she's got a square-shaped face, she's going to contour for her face shape. So if you're sitting here trying to contour for a square-shaped face and you have a heart-shaped face, it's going to look off. It's not going to look right. And say that influencer has like a crooked nose and she's trying to contour her nose to look more straight, but yours is already straight, you're basically going to contour your nose and make it look like it's crooked. Another thing is contour is not a product that you're supposed to use to be seen. To blend it out. Don't leave huge lines on your face. I see that a lot when people are learning how to contour. That just doesn't look good. It's kind of like where you see a lot of women where they've got that line from foundation. Don't do that. As well as the fact that a lot of girls that, or a lot of people that are just learning how to contour, they will do like the same shape on their nose, regardless of what their nose shape looks like. Don't do that. Find somebody who, like I said, find somebody with a similar shape to yours if you're just learning how to contour. The idea behind contour is not to warm up your face like bronzer. It is to shape your face, give it shadow, definition. So friends, if you have any questions about contour, just please leave them in the comments down below. I will do my best to get everybody's, or to answer everybody. And if you would like a separate tutorial on how I contour my face, let me know and I can probably get, or I can do that for you. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.